How to use AliDropship review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. AliDropship is a powerful dropshipping tool for WordPress, but beginners often make mistakes that hurt profits and efficiency. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is skipping installation and setup guides. Most people get this wrong by jumping into product import without configuring payment gateways, shipping methods, or theme settings. Following the setup ensures your store runs smoothly. Second mistake, importing low quality or oversaturated products. You won't believe how many users assume more products equal more sales. AliDropship allows quality filtering and niche selection. Choosing unique, in-demand products improves your conversion rate. Third mistake, ignoring pricing strategy. The surprising truth is that default prices often don't cover costs, taxes, or shipping fees. Always set competitive yet profitable pricing using AliDropship's pricing formulas. Fourth mistake, neglecting automation features. Beginners manually update inventory or fulfill orders, wasting hours. AliDropship automates inventory, pricing, and order processing, saving significant time. Finally, not optimizing marketing is common. Even with a well-set store, beginners fail without traffic. Use social media ads, email marketing, and influencer partnerships to drive sales effectively. Using AliDropship properly means completing setup, selecting quality products, managing pricing strategically, using automation, and marketing your store. Avoid these beginner mistakes to grow a successful and profitable dropshipping business.